Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make Andrew Tate as Snapchat AI. So, I'll be teaching you guys a very easy step, so just follow me guys. So, let's just get started first. Firstly, what you need to do is just go to your chat and then search for My AI Conversation. You'll be having it over here on your chat feed, or you need to search it from the search bar itself. So, mine is just here above, so I'm just going with it. Then just go to My AI profile, and then you can see over here it says customize. Just go with it, and then go with avatar or outfit. Let me go with avatar first, and then firstly choose your, let's say AI, your thing. Let's say the model. I'll choose this as I need a boy now, and then from here you'll be having a lot of options to change your personality. So, and you just from here just do your thing, and let's say change everything as Andrew Tate looks like. So you can have a beard, or you can have a mustache, you can change the hair and anything guys, like this and this and this, and you can save it from here. So that's pretty much guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just comment down below guys. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.